What up, guys? So you want to learn exactly how you can start getting more money from the banks? This is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is get established with the credit union. I don't care what credit union it is. If it's Navy Federal, make sure that you get inside of there, right? Once you're inside of the credit union, you want to start establishing a relationship. So something we call the 50-50 method. You want to put $50 into the checking account, $50 into the savings account. You want to wait 1 to 4 weeks, depending on how long you've been with the bank. If you just started out with the bank, you should wait 4 weeks. If you've been with the bank but you haven't really been focusing on building a relationship, it could be 1 week. Once you've done this, right? Once you've started building this relationship, you put the money into these accounts, you want to go back to the bank and you want to ask for funding, right? Stop putting your money in banks that don't give you no money, right? Stop saving your money in these saving accounts and they ain't giving you nothing, bro. At the end of the day, on planet Earth, they are printing money. So what sense would it make for you to be saving money when they're literally printing it, right? So you need to figure out which banks you need to go to start building this relationship. And then you want to do the 50-50 method and then ask for funding. So listen, guys, if you want to know exactly how to start filling out, let me let the FedEx truck go. If you want to learn exactly how to start filling out these applications so that you can maximize your funding, if you want to learn how to create your LLC so that you can get business credit that won't actually affect your personal credit, then click the link in my bio and get access to my free credit training. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that you need to learn about fixing, building, and maintaining an excellent credit profile so that you can go out and get approved for whatever you want. It ain't none of my business what you want, but whatever you want, you're going to get it. So make sure you click the link in my bio and tap in. I'll see you guys on the inside. If you're watching this right now and you're like, I'm getting a ton of value, but I want the full game. I want the full breakdown on how to start repairing my credit, rebuilding my credit, and getting approvals. Well, then you need to go to click the link in my bio and get access to my free credit class. I'm going to show you exactly how to repair your credit yourself, how to rebuild it, and how to structure your report to start getting approvals. The class is completely free, and I'm only going to be doing it for a limited time. So make sure you go click the link in my bio right now and get access to this free class.